Hi, this is Aida Urteaga with Remax and OrlandoHomesByAida.com. Today I am in St. Cloud at the new community called Canoe Creek Crossing. The builder is KB Homes. The model home that I'm going to show you is Plan 1760. This beautiful floor plan offers 1,760 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The base price at the moment of the video is $254,000. The HOA is only $60 per month. The floor plans that this builder offers for this community goes from 1,541 square feet all the way to 2,566 square feet. You're going to find floor plans from 3 bedrooms all the way to 5 bedrooms. If you want any more information on this community, this floor plan, or any community in the area, feel free to give me a call at 407-272-6854. Don't forget to ask me what incentives do I have if you want to build your own home. I also want to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos coming up soon, and register on my website, OrlandoHomesByAida.com. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoy it.